Today, we're gonna have a plump lips quick routine that will only take 2 minutes. Before we start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. First move is upper lip muscles massage. Put your index fingers over your upper lips and start to pull the skin smoothly and slowly outwards. Massaging the upper lip muscles can help improve circulation and reduce fine lines like barcode lines. It will lift the lips and give you a more defined lip shape. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. Then we come to the lower lip muscles. Exactly like previous exercise, put your index fingers slightly under your lower lips and start to pull the skin slightly upwards. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise is as effective as the previous exercise. It will help with the circulation, boost collagen production, and will help with the lip fullness and definition. It will also lift the lip corners and the jowls. For the next move, put your index finger on the left side of your lips and pull it upwards. Then, with the other hand and with your knuckle, start to slide over your lips smoothly. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. Massaging the lips with improving blood circulation can help the lips to appear fuller and more defined, leading to softer lips. By improving circulation and collagen production, these massages can help minimize the appearance of fine lines around the lips. Then we go to the other side. Now put your index finger on the right side of your lips and with your left hand slide on your lips smoothly. Gentle massage stimulates blood flow to the lips, bringing oxygen and nutrients, which helps to healthier and more vibrant lips. Also, boosting collagen production will lead to fuller looking lips. Massage can help moisturize the lips and prevent dryness, especially during harsh weather conditions. So this was it for today's quick routine, and here you can see my lips got fuller after this 2-minute massage. See you next one. Bye!